For wonderful soft idlis.
How?
For awesome sponge idlis.
How?
For restaurant quality idlis.
How?
How? I'm going to share the secret of my awesome soft spongy idlis. That is urad dal from Vijay Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi Deer Minapagundlu. For making a perfect idli, the combination of rice and urad dal. And when you have a perfect urad dal like this, and when this is soaked, you will notice a vast difference in the regular urad dal and this urad dal. My preference and even your preference, we soak the dal for 6 hours and then we grind it. After grinding it, leave it overnight, and by morning, the batter will be jiggling and your idlis will just melt in your mouth. It's like a frothy batter. That is what will make your idlis perfect. With one idli batter, you can make so many variety of idlis. In this batter, add salt just before making idlis, and if you need to add little water, you can add now and mix it, and you can make many variations of idlis. So I'm going to show you some. Special idli, you can also add some cashew nut and sprinkle some vegetables that will give a very nice color. The carrot and the beans. Especially in the marriages, they make this kind of idli. And also, I like to make pickle idli. For pickle idli, I love to do this. Just pour some batter and put very little pickle in the center. Now, in the hot idli steamer, drop the first tray. Another favorite of mine is aloo stuffing inside. Dosa masala or any of the stuffings, take little bit and pour it in the center. When you cut open the idlis, the aloo masala will be in center, and I'm telling you, you will just love them.
Second one.
The aloo masala stuffed idli, everybody's favorite is plain idli, and with this batter, the idlis will be spongy. And you will be so delighted to see the kind of idlis that are going to come out after 10 minutes of steaming them. Look at these awesome, wonderful idlis, and each one of these idlis will be just elegant. People wonder how to make their idlis perfect. And when you get Vijay Lakshmi urad dal, then your idlis will be spongy and nice and perfect. The best combination for any idlis are sambar, coconut chutney, the idli podi. And when you have this spongy kind of idlis, you can also enjoy them with a lot of non-vegetarian dishes also.
Yes, fish curry.
Yes. When the idlis are so good, you will also get used to eating idlis for dinner like the way we South Indians do. After around 10 minutes, the lighter the batter, the idlis also will cook faster. The very nice, beautifully. Now, not just idlis, even the vadas, they come out so good when you make it with this urad dal. And you will be surprised how this dal, being that super quality, how they increase in size. And even when you wash, you can see the quality of the urad dal. A lot of people think that you will get good vada only when you use a wet grinder like this. No, even a domestic blender, you can make excellent vada, and I'm going to show how to aerate it. Here, it gets naturally aerated. The dal actually increases to 3 to 4 times what you have soaked. The curry leaves are big, so add cumin, some green chilies,
chopped corianders,
and add some hing. Add some onion and add salt. Once you do it in the wet grinder, natural aeration will happen. So just mix all of this, look at it. And if you do in a blender at home, all you need to do is you need to beat this batter little more so that the air gets incorporated and your vadas will be nice and perfect. Many people wonder how come our idlis and vadas, they don't come as good as the hotel vadas. Now you know the secret. Making vada is very simple. Always, just wet your hands, then take the batter, make a hole and drop it in. And your vadas will float right away and they will be so perfect. You will be amazed how the spongy inside, the crunchy outside vadas are made so simple using this dal. This is how they make the special hotel style vadas. All you need to get is the right urad dal, and the right urad dal is
Vijay Lakshmi Minapagundlu.
Vijay Lakshmi Deer urad dal. Whether you call gare, vada, minapagare, and this dal, when you use the right dal, the aeration will be perfect. So I have shown you in many videos, all you need to do is aerate it with your hands. So when you aerate, the air goes in, and as it is, the dal is so perfect. And when you do little bit of aeration, you will have this batter perfect. Then you can make the beautiful vada so easily at home. Look at these vadas, so beautiful and so perfect. And you can make them at home, and you know, perfect urad dal means perfect idli, perfect vada and a perfect dosa. For making perugu vada, thair vada, dahi vada, you just add little peppercorn and salt. And you can use this for ras vada, even for sambar vada, you can make plain vadas like this. And usually I prefer slightly bigger vadas, and just with a wet hand take it, make a nice hole in the center and drop it. And because the batter is so perfect, your vadas will nicely puff up and they will be so good. Okay, this is perfect. The wonderful, beautiful curd vada. In south of India, for us, the jangri is one of the special sweets, and pretty much all the weddings and functions, they do it. For that, put the 6-hour soaked urad dal in a blender. In this, add some, food color, pinch of salt, and mix this. So, it is as simple as this. Some people, they want the jangri to be slightly crispy. They can add a little bit of corn flour and slowly mix along with this and bring it to the consistency where you can pipe it. So, this is not piping consistency. So, add little water, and all you need to do is take a piping bag and put this in the piping bag. Just cut it very thin. That's it. Into the hot oil, then you got to do the design. So, look at this, very simple. Go along with it and make it nice and beautiful. Look at it. The more you do, the more perfect you will get it. Now slightly smaller. You will know when it is done, when this is nice and crispy. If it is soft, it still need to be cooked. And take them. If you want little bit thicker, you can make them slightly thicker also. The same batter for idli and dosa. Yes, when you have the urad dal perfect, you will get it nice and perfect. Now look at this. Beautiful, and this is how you will get so, we will make a beautiful cap dosa. Now look at this. Cap dosa is very simple. And look at it. Beautiful. When the kid in me is bouncing, and that is when I'll get this nice cap dosa and first eat the top. It is always sweet endings in my house because Queen Victoria loves sweets. Before our marriage, the first sweet that she served me was urad dal ka laddu, the sunundalu what we call. The white color urad dal has to turn nicely golden. On a slow flame, roast it for almost 10 minutes. Then you're going to let it cool down, put it in a blender and make it into a kind of slight coarse powder. Little bit fine to coarse powder. For 1 cup of urad dal, add 1 cup of sugar. So now add powdered sugar and the urad dal powder and mix it. In this, add cardamom also and mix it together. In this, add around 2 tablespoons of ghee and pour it, and now mix it. While this is nice and warm, that's when you got to fix those laddus. Look at my hand, look at her hand. The laddus are the bumba, mine are big, hers are small, mine are big, my laddu.
విజయలక్ష్మి మినపగుండ్లతో ఈ సున్నుండలు చేసుకోండి, చాలా బాగుంటాయి.
The laddus made with this dal are exceptionally tasty. The premium quality and excellent laddus. Vedi vedi dosa, vayaram lanti dosa, vedi vedi idli, vegetable idli, stuffing idli, nee kosam little bit of the ghee, neeke kadu naku kuda nahi, little bit of ghee. So, one of the best idlis. Look at the spongy, dip it with the chutney. Now you know the secret of awesome, soft, spongy idlis, and also the idlis that will just melt in your mouth. Very surprising, isn't it? Same batter, crispy dosa, sponge idli. I'm sure they must be able to hear the sound also.
Yeah.
The crunchy, hot dosa.
Yeah.
Many of you have been requesting that Queen Victoria cook something for me, and she made the same laddu that she served me before we got married. In the comments, let the Queen Victoria know what recipe you want to learn from her. Isn't it? You going to cook for me?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes, yes.
I get to sit up there and you will sit here and serve?
Yes. We do
Really?
this also.
You will do that also for me?
Yes.
Wow. For South Indians, the relationship between wife and husband is the relationship same as with idli, dosa and vada for us. And if you want to have the best relationship with your idli, vada, dosa, use Vijay Lakshmi urad dal.
విజయలక్ష్మి మినపగుళ్ళు.
మధురమైన ఇడ్లీ, సాఫ్ట్ ఇడ్లీ, మధురమైన ఇడ్లీ, విజయలక్ష్మి ఇడ్లీ, మా ఇంటి లక్ష్మి తినే ఇడ్లీ, విజయలక్ష్మి మినుపగుండ్ల ఇడ్లీ. When the idli is so soft, they will suck in the sambar when you just dip it.
You can't stop eating.
You can't stop eating.